you're wondering why you can't scroll around your document in Photoshop or why the scroll slider doesn't seem to work, the problem is often caused by the overscroll feature being turned off. Overscroll allows you to move the canvas even when the entire image fits inside the document window, making it much easier to navigate while editing. To fix this issue, open Photoshop and click Edit from the top menu, then choose Preferences Tools. In the Tools Preferences window, look for the Overscroll option. If it's unchecked, this is likely the reason you're unable to scroll your document the way you expect. Simply check the Overscroll box to enable the feature, then click OK to save your changes. Return to your document and try scrolling again. You should now be able to move the canvas freely, even when it's fully visible on your screen. This small setting can make a big difference when you're zooming in, making detailed edits, or navigating large projects. That's it. By enabling Overscroll, you'll have a smoother and more flexible editing experience in Photoshop. Thanks for following this tutorial, and be sure to check out more Photoshop tips and tricks to improve your workflow and get the most out of Adobe Photoshop.